Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel My Target 100%. I think all of you must have seen my last videos. If you have not seen, please try to watch previous videos. Okay, then you can easily understand what I am going to teach now. Okay, anyway, today's topic is energy density in an electric field. That means electrostatic energy density in a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, before writing something, you try to open your copy and pen, be ready. What are the important points you must write? Okay, it becomes very easy for your better understanding. So, energy density, electrostatic energy density, how can you understand? When charge is at rest, that you know there is only electric field. When charge is in motion, there is electric field and magnetic field. But energy density, density mass per unit volume. Energy density means total energy stored in a parallel plate capacitor per unit volume. Okay? Try to write. Okay? Let us understand one by one. Electrostatic energy density. Okay, just I am writing this much. You can write in a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, so try to understand. It is one plate, it is another plate. Okay, थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हुआ आप सीधा से लिख सकते हो. Suppose it is A, it is B, it is C, it is D. A, B, C, D both are two plates. Distance of separation is D. Area of each plate is A. Understand? So volume is how much? Volume is A into D. Okay. Then, as you know, it is positive charge. One of the plate is positive, another charge is negative by the method of induction. That's why the net charge in the capacitor is 0. Okay. Plus minus. How many charges you will take? Same amount of negative charge you will take. You will take positive, negative or negative, positive. Okay. The net charge on the capacitor is 0. So this is volume is equal to AD. Okay. Now try to understand. Suppose it is plus Q, it is minus Q. Also you know it is plus sigma, it is minus sigma. But when a capacitor is charged, there is development of electric field in between the two plates of a capacitor. So energy density in a capacitor means energy used in the electric field in the space in between the plates of a capacitor. Understand? Then come to point. How can you write the electrostatic energy density definition? The amount of energy stored, the definition, the energy stored per unit volume of the capacitor in between the two plates of a capacitor. Okay, then come to point. Suppose it is UE. So total energy in a capacitor by volume. Total energy stored in a capacitor is how much? Half CV square. Okay, volume is A into D. This is equation 1. Suppose we are giving equation 1. Any problem you can understand or you can write comments in comment box. Otherwise, you will get everything if you click my website. Okay. So there is a link in description box. You will get everything. Question answer, numerical problems and derivation based questions. Each and every point notes. Come to point. For a parallel plate capacitor, C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, that you know. Suppose this is equation 2. But when a capacitor is charged through electric field and there is development of a potential difference is developed. So at that time V is equal to how much? E is equal to V by D, that you know. So V is equal to ED. Okay. Suppose it is equation 3. Everybody, you have written? Okay. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Now, you use equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. So, what you will get? Can I erase? Okay. Then come to point. So first one is UE half CV square. In plus C you write epsilon naught A by D. It is V square, so you can write this one is E square into D square by volume. Volume is equal to how much? A into D. Area of each plate, distance between two plates, okay, and everything you know. It is electric field. Then permittivity in a vacuum. So this is, you can write, okay, this one, it becomes, what will happen? Then D square. So it is cancel. So if you write this one, you can write, okay. So what you will get? Anybody? Half epsilon naught E square. This is the value of electrostatic energy density in a parallel plate capacitor. So suppose you give this is equation 4. Okay. So come to point. Point is, important point is, when a dielectric is introduced in between two plate of capacitor in a parallel plate capacitor. So you can write this one is half K epsilon naught E square, where epsilon naught is permittivity in space. But you can write same thing. This is UE half. If you write epsilon naught M, that means medium in with respect to space. It is how much? K. So you can write in place this one, it is E square. So that means it is equation 5, it is equation 6. All are the different form of electrostatic energy density in a parallel plate capacitor. But most important is this one. So now unit, how can calculate? Unit is energy per unit volume. So energy SI unit is joule, volume is meter cube. So it is SI unit. Then dimension is how much? Joule. Dimension M L square T minus 2, okay, by L cube. What you will get? You will get M L inverse T minus 2. Okay, I think you can easily understand and you apply in theory paper as well as what are the value given in the formula. As per the numericals, you can use this formula. Thank you. Have a good day.